In this video I will be unboxing the Sparkfun Dumpster Dive Box. This is a box that only is available for 10 minutes during the year, and it's for them to get rid of like some excess inventory, I believe. This is the first one I've ever got, so I have no idea exactly what'll be in it, but I imagine it's going to be parts and boards and stuff like that. Anyway, let's get started. Invoice. Okay, looks like we have a bunch of different LEDs, different brightnesses between, looks like the lowest is a violet one of 150 to 100 millicandles, up to a blue one which is 300 to 400 millicandles. We have, okay, this looks like it's an add-on shield for, oh, okay, it's a GPS shield for an Arduino. I don't know if it'll come with the parts or has the information to add it, but we'll find out. Oh, load cell again. I have a load cell, but it already came with one of these. Ah, nice. This is a little LCD screen. Doesn't appear to have come with any kind of a board, but we'll see what happens. This is a Synapse SM700. It looks like some kind of microcontroller. It's reminiscent of an ESP32, but it looks like it has more pins, so we'll see. I have to design something for that. Serial 7-segment LED. Ah! I know what this is. It allows you to put an LCD display on this side, the 7-segment, and it allows you to run it with some serial data. We've got a terminal block. It appears to have been broken. That's probably why they're selling or giving it in here. Some kind of LED, I'm not sure if it's infrared or some kind of color. Usually the infrared ones are dark like that, so that would be my guess. 1312, okay, that's probably a real-time clock. Looks like some servo horns. Some little brass standoffs. We got a battery thing. Little AAA battery holder, it looks like. Oh, this one's interesting. It's called the the 9 Degrees of Freedom Razer IMU. So that's probably an accelerometer of some kind. But it also takes a little micro SD card. I'll have to look that one up later. Looks like a potentiometer with a 1K potentiometer with a switch attached to the back. Another one. Oh, nice. This is another one of those LED things, but with the LED display. So that's how it fits on there. Good to know. My guess is it probably takes care of the which digit, but I have to look into that. Oh, nice. This might be handy because I use some stuff like this on some automatic blinds controls for a servo that I made. So it comes with 2 of these. They're both female on both ends. Another LED, probably an infrared. those little connectors. Probably just threw these in to get it to weigh the right amount because it's supposed to be ½ pound of stuff. We got a bunch more LEDs. We got a RS485 breakout board, but it has a sticker on it that says bad, so it's probably garbage. But who knows? Maybe it was bad because of the soldering on here. Not sure. This is called makeymakey.com/howto. Ah, it's like for some kind of a controller or something like that. Looks like it's an add-on board for something. Another one of those LCDs. Another load cell amp thing. Ah, nice. Some micro USB ports. These come in handy. Another few LEDs. Another load cell amp. Another load cell amp. Another. And another. Another one of these boards that has a sticker on it that said bad. I don't know if they were both bad or what. Could have been that. No, it's just on one. I'll have to look up what that does later. This is the TB6612FNG. I have no idea. Wait. Oh, dual motor driver. Okay, so it's for driving a couple motors. And we have 3 more of these connectors. They are 2 by 10. So I'm sure they'll come in handy. I got a bunch of connectors in this box here that I got off of Amazon, so I have plenty of those kind of things. Yeah, but I'll have to see what I can make with these. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this interesting and helpful, as in what comes in one of these Sparkfun Dumpster Dive boxes. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Feel free to share the video and leave a comment below if you want. Maybe some suggestions that what I could do with some of this stuff. And I'll see you in my next video.